Hi, want to talk to you about the TruAura brush set. It is made of Taklon bristles. It's very soft and gentle, and it is 100% animal hair free. You know, we all want to be more environmentally aware of things. And it comes in four brushes. The first one is the contour powder brush. It can use the powder, use this for powder. It's also very good for bronzer. So let me show you. So for example, this is our bronzer, and then you can use this to highlight here, put under the eye, under the cheek here, a little bit under the eyebrow here. And you can also use the darker shade here to contour, like I like to put over my face here. And then of course you can use it swirl over your face there. So that is a really good contour powder brush. And then the next one is our angled brush, angled blush brush. And it's really good for applying in the blush. So you see it's angled this way, so it's so easy to put it on. So I'm going to put this lighter shade here, and you see it just naturally kind of glide on your face, and then do the darker shade there, and then on top it's very nice to apply for the blush there. And of course you can also use this to use a bronzer. If sometimes you use a bronzer to contour there, you can do that too. Okay, and then the next brush is the all over eye brush. So this one you can, for example, this one I'm using here, the and then you just put a wash of color here over your eye there. And this is the one called the smoke and mirror. And then you can also use this if you want to use eyeshadow to do eyeliner. This is what you can use. And the last one is this crease brush that it really precisely put the color in your the eyelid area here. And what I use it for using the bronzer here, and I use the highlight and put in the corner of the eye to do that highlight. So that's our brush set. Really good. Does not grab the powder, but not too much, and it come in this microfiber roll here. Thank you.